Guys, this is Santa Claus. No, I just can't just me. Hi. Well, I am so mad because my freaking charger piece all fucked up now. That's freaking great. Like, really. And it's hopeless. Like, times 10 worse. Just great. Always leave a comment down below and leave a like, and hopefully if I have a charger piece, of course, not charger piece, the new cord, I'll be thankful. So yeah, I'll be thankful and stuff like that, because it's so aggravating if I don't have a charger piece. And I want to say something. For sure, if you've seen this, really, how many times you gotta do invite me in your Facebook Live? Please don't do that because it's annoying. It's really pathetic. So yeah. And I love y'all so much in my heart, and I wish I could do anything, but my charger piece is ruined. So yeah, and yeah, because I think y'all pretty awesome. So make a good warrior, quite really, and subscribe me or Priscilla's channel, and follow me and her on Facebook and Instagram. Add me and her on Snapchat, add her on Twitter. So yeah. And just for another thing, she's boring. So yeah. Yeah, I'm bad boy and I'm out. And she didn't know I changed it on Messenger. She didn't know I changed it to Red Guerrero. So yeah. Williams for life is out.